Hook. You don't need a huge audience, coding skills, or your own app to start. Earning with AI. In this short, I'll give you a few simple AI-powered service ideas you can start. Offering this week, using tools you already know, and I'll show you how to position them so people actually want to pay. Value. Idea 1. AI Content Fixer. Most creators already use ChatGPT, but their posts still sound stiff and robotic. Offer a service where clients send you their AI-generated drafts, and you use prompts plus your editing to turn them into natural, high-converting texts. You sell clarity and personality, not just words. Idea 2. Shorts Machine for experts. Many coaches and consultants do lives and webinars but never repurpose them. You can take their recordings, run them through AI, extract topics, and deliver 10 to 20 short scripts are ready to post subtitles each week. Idea 3. Offer Builder with AI. Most beginners are stuck on what exactly to sell. You jump on a Zoom call with them, use AI Lib to structure their skills into one clear offer, and then send them a clean document with positioning, message, and first content ideas. To start, pick one idea. Write a tiny landing page or a simple message like, I help who get result using AI, without them needing to learn prompts. DM people who are already posting but clearly overwhelmed, and invite them to test your service at a low, beta, price in exchange for feedback. CTA. If you want example DMs, offer descriptions and AI prompt templates you can plug into your own workflow. Save this video and comment, services, so I know too. Record a full breakdown.